Demarai Gray injury and also the Reggae Girlz are back. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. These are the two topics we'll be covering this morning. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. And I'm pretty much disappointed after just watching or witnessed Man City dismantled. Anyways, that's for our next discussion. Big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much for smashing the like button. Thank you very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Let's get straight to the meat of the matter. Which one to touch first? You know what? We're going to touch on Demarai Gray. So apparently, well, not apparently, silly. He actually came off with a very nasty injury. There's no recent updates at this present moment. But when he came off, like, there's a huge collision between him and the goalkeeper, and he went in his shoulder, his neck, and I, for one, I'm hopeful that it's not as serious as how it looks. I'm really praying that's not as serious as how it looks, because you already know that the World Cup qualifiers is just around the corner, and a shoulder injury is not a nice one. They tend to keep out a player for a good little while. Some of them, or maybe a neck injury. But hopefully he have a speedy recovery and he will be back for the season and when it's very much important where the World Cup qualifiers is concerned. So speedy recovery, Demarai Gray. Hopefully you are doing good. Let's touch on the Reggae Girlz. The Reggae Girlz are back. Apparently, the Jamaica Football Federation reappoint Hugh Busby as the head coach of the girls. Let me continue. Let me read the press release first. The Jamaica Football Federation is pleased to announce that after careful consideration and due process, our technical committee has recommended immediate reappointment of Hubert Busby as head coach of the senior women's national team. This is Mr. Busby's second stint with the team, having held the position from 2020 to 2021. He was removed from the position when the JFF requested FIFA to investigate unsavory media reports originating in Europe. FIFA subsequently cleared Mr. Busby based on his vast experience and knowledge of the squad. We think he is... FIFA, well, me kind of joined them up. Sorry about that. They cleared Hugh Busby. So this is what JFF is saying now. Based on his vast experience and knowledge of the squad, we think he is the perfect individual to take the team through the next stage of its development. Mr. Busby will therefore take charge of the squad, which will play 2 international friendlies against Brazil on June 1st and June 4th in Brazil. The squad will be announced soon. Guess what? We have the squad now, so we will talk about that. Xavier Gilbert, JFF would like to thank Xavier Gilbert for acting in the role of head coach since October 2023. He will revert to his previous role as assistant coach. So he will still be around the squad, and a lot of persons are celebrating for the reappointment of Hugh Busby. Guess what now? Since Hugh Busby comes in and would have been reappointed, the Reggae Girlz team, the senior girls, are back. Remember that some of these players, because of the issue with the JFF and the strike and the this and the that and the to and from. So apparently the JFF president hinted that situations are being resolved, are in the background, are being resolved, and now it have come to the forefront that these situations have been resolved from base of the squad that we are looking at this present moment. It's 100% clear that these issues that we were having has been resolved. So goalkeeper, let's start off. These are the senior girls now that were at the World Cup, that were actually the monetary problem, you know, the GoFundMe issue. Anyways, Sydney Schneider, Rebecca Spencer, Laya Brooks, and those are the 3 goalkeepers. Defenders, Kanaya Plummer, glad to see Plummer back, Chantel Swaby, Alison Swaby, Denisha Blackwood, Vian Sampson, Naya Cardoza, Lorian Reed. Midfielders, Jade Bailey, Drew Spence, Atlanta Premius, Peyton McNamara, Israel Groves. Forwards, Tiffany Cameron, Kayla McKenney, Paige Bailey Gade, Trudy Carter, Cameron Simmons, Amelia Van Zenten, Jody Brown, and Davia Richards. Still space and time for the youngsters, which I love. I love that. And as you can see, probably can show some of the comments, and people are loving the squad that they see. Now, the last time we kind of put out quite an inexperienced squad, very, very inexperienced squad. But at this present moment, I think that what we're looking at right now is the same girls from the World Cup qualifiers and from the World Cup campaign. Now, let's hopeful that we can go into this game and see a positive result or get a positive result from that game. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Hopefully, you guys are doing good, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we are out. God bless. Enjoy your rest of your day. Boom. Hey, thank you very much again for watching another MG Sports TV video. If you want to continue to support us, you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to help us providing more content like these, you can most definitely buy us a coffee. Look in the comment section or also in the description, the video description, you will see the link to help us. And thank you again for your continued support. Big up.